Hello, I'm Mark McCloskey with Contronics, and welcome to the next episode of Ask the Experts, where we conquer the toughest questions we get in the field. On today's episode, we're going to conquer how does a hybrid actuator compare against my electromechanical screw type actuator I'm currently using. So I'm going to break it down for you. So here on the table, we basically just have a screw and a nut, but it's simulating basically a screw type technology. There's a couple different options here with screw type technology. You either fix the nut and you move the rod in and out to extend and retract the rod, or you fix the screw and you rotate the nut and then that moves the rod back and forth. So breaking that down, with these devices, you basically have to do L10 calculations, which is basically end of life on, hey, how many cycles will this work for me until it fails due to metal wear or shock load capabilities, depending on force and speed requirements. So with that, there's a lot of disadvantages just because of that. But advantages are it's servo controlled, power on demand, ease controllability with a PLC, etc. So again, how can you get the positives and the advantages without the challenges? So I'm going to introduce you to hybrid technology. So the hybrid technology here is a cutaway. It's Contronics. Basically, you would have a servo motor, so your power on demand, coupled to a gear pump, moves fluid in either direction to extend and retract the rod. This is and has hydraulic fluid internally. However, there's no external reservoir, no external hoses. Everything is self-contained, completely sealed. So you shouldn't see any leaks associated with any hoses or anything like that. With our system, since it's servo controlled, you also have position and force feedback. So you get a position control or force control, which is a positive with our system. Another advantage of our system is that it's able to handle shock load capabilities because of the hydraulic fluid internally. So again, there's a lot of advantages with eliminating the challenges that you would experience with a regular screw type technology. Kind of hinting on that, with a screw, you would have lubrication needs, right? Lubricating the screw, as well as you might have an external gearbox with oil internally. So we get the question, sometimes, hey, what do I need to lubricate this thing? You don't. It's in there for life. The lubrication is internal. There's no maintenance, minimal maintenance, if anything. So again, a couple advantages over a screw type technology. So if you're interested in learning more, feel free to contact us at contronics.com. Thank you.